Hello everyone, I am Amir. Salam به همه, من امیر هستم. In this video we are going to study to be verb conjugation in Dari or Farsi, and we are going to make some sentences with all subject pronouns so that you can learn how to make sentences with subject pronouns and to be verbs plus negative and question form of to be verb. In Dari. To be verb conjugation in present simple. The to be verb in Dari is called بودن, and the stem of the verb is هست in simple present tense. And here we have two columns. The left side you can see subject pronouns in Dari, which are من, تو, او, ما, شما, آنها, and in the right column you can see the conjugation form of the to be verb in Dari, and as you can see it is in two colors so that you can distinguish the stem of the verb and the ending of the verb. The stem of the verb is written in green and the ending is written in white. So for man we have the conjugation هستم, من هستم, تو هستی, او هست, ما هستیم, شما هستید, آنها هستند. You have to memorize the endings of the verbs and also the stem of the verb. The endings are really important because sometimes you may not use the subject pronoun in the sentence, but with the understanding of endings you can guess what the subject pronoun is. So I'll tell you in the examples later. So let's get to the examples. And if you do not know basic words in Dari like nouns or adjectives, I made videos about them so you can check them out. The link is in the description. To be verb conjugation with the subject I to create your own sentences. من خوشحال هستم. Let's get to the examples. It means I am happy. As you can see below, من خوشحال هستم, it is the formal way. In informal way in Dari we say ما. Instead of man you say ما خوشحال. Instead of هستم you say هستم. ما خوشحال هستم. I am happy. من امیر هستم. I am امیر. Informal way من امیر هستم. How to change to be verb to negative. من امیر هستم. It means I am امیر. If you want to say I am not امیر, how do you say that? So من امیر هستم. You see the verb هستم, you replace ha with ni. You replace ha with nun ya, which هستم changes to نیستم. هستم نیستم. And this way you can change the positive sentence into negative sentence. من امیر نیستم. Or the informal way you can say من امیر نیستم. Okay, so here we have examples with you or two. Two is singular, it refers to one person. The example is تو باهوش هستی. تو باهوش هستی. It means you are smart. So how do you change it to negative? Instead of ha, we write ni. تو باهوش هستی. تو باهوش نیستی. تو افغان هستی. تو افغان هستی. You are Afghan. The negative تو افغان نیستی. Examples with he, she, it. Or in Dari او او اینجا هست. او اینجا هست. He is here. She is here. It is here. To change it to negative, you can just say او اینجا نیست. او اینجا نیست. او خوب است. او خوب است. There is a small difference between است and hast. Hast shows the existence and است is usually used after an adjective. For example, here in this sentence, خوب is an adjective and است is used after that. او خوب است. Negative form is او خوب نیست. ما دوست هستیم. ما دوست هستیم. We are friends. We are friends. The negative form is ما دوست نیستیم. ما دوست نیستیم. ما شاگرد هستیم. ما شاگرد هستیم. We are students. The negative form ما شاگرد نیستیم. ما شاگرد نیستیم. Okay, examples with you. You, the plural form, it means شما. It refers to more than one people. شما مریض هستید. شما مریض هستید. You are sick. هستید and هستین, there is one small difference. هستید is formal, هستین is informal. So, شما مریض هستید. The negative form is شما مریض نیستید. Or, in informal way, شما مریض نیستین. شما دکتر هستید. شما دکتر هستید. You are a doctor. You are a doctor. شما دکتر نیستید. شما دکتر نیستید. Examples with they. آنها. آنها قوی هستند. آنها قوی هستند. They are strong. The negative form آنها قوی نیستند. آنها قوی نیستند. آنها تنبل هستند. آنها تنبل هستند. They are lazy. The negative form آنها تنبل نیستند. آنها تنبل نیستند. How to change the to be verb into a question. Here we have an example. من امیر هستم. So to change into negative, we said we change ha to ni to create a negative sentence. من امیر هستم, which means I am Amir. من امیر نیستم, I am not Amir. To change it to question, so just the intonation is important here. You ask it like a question. من امیر هستم. من امیر هستم. And you put a question mark if you're writing the question. So that is how you change the sentence into question form. That's it for today. So don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Goodbye. Khudafez.